Remove built-up limescale in your bathroom with Starwax. Starwax Power Descaler Bathroom is unbelievably effective. Its formula adheres to surfaces, even vertical, to descale in depth and restore shine. Can be used with septic tanks. Squeeze, then lower the safety catch. Spray. And leave to act for a few seconds. Wipe with a sponge. Rinse well. The result is incredible. Starwax Power Descaler for bathrooms restores the shine everywhere in your bathroom. Quite simply.